clear to te chi bai le vek ule voina kan video en ho tur chu What's Like Shillong Winter Tales event sa kan kalna video ani dona ka fanule achiante pani kan hostelers nu ile shwai puite ka shwaya Winter Tales a hianin thaile the tanga siam wine chi sang mei tui tak tak te mu tur am dona tin aram mi te kut them thiam thil chi sang pho chu ani a Christmas ngai to in Christmas rim po anam rem to ani avot to viau boka tin live band concert te om boka tin ei to chi sang aram mi te jato stall ti te khati angkha ei to chi sang amani thalai le tle rol tan chuanin hoi thoven na mun nuam tak mei ani dona amuni na zir boka amoi em Westlake mun hi deal ani a deal zau tak me ni a tam tak chuanin hu to kha chuwang chuanin Christmas rim namzonga
kalum to em
chei lai cha chei ani a bokana uluk takin minlo thlir chwa sakula kan video te hi
purem chu ri bur mai
te komena no seidon ya Winter Tales hi kumtin tunang huna hianin an huai hot sia china kumdanga phe chuan an chei moi le zola tun kumpo hi moi veu nanga kumdanga tluk lo deuh hlekin ka sia fate han shwai har nan po athavia ma azong chang thak le ani ni thum chung o dona min Thursday changkhanin Thursday Friday Saturday o dona ni kal chak tak kan to bun lo ama la kal thereng ani atop ni phe hi chu anwam le zwala kan kal ni hi first day ni a alu so ka men na tlem te ba last day ya hana mun the fia
subscribe bell koi mo kya miso mini vintia get ki parte ke tia security pass mo
that the artists are here on time. I have to make sure that they are in backstage 30 minutes before they perform.
okay, so you arrange for that.
Yeah.
Okay. This is Noah.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Working here for voluntarily, no?
Yeah, I'm volunteer working.
Yeah.
I'm kind of under the this one organizing team.
Okay.
So I'm just here and there helping out my supervisors.
Okay. Nice.
reliable hobo man siam hi atha ka ti kho hei chi sang mai in an thliara chili lai nan thliara ni hi mo e en ton tla khop in ka sia Pulho paidar lova kuna tak an paya spotless an tiang deuh mo thil drop nok le plastic drop thil chi sang chang no te paidar lova mu anwamin ni hoi vel an map em ani
kala nei tur lo tam me he food store hun sang lo mani he dustbin an than ti dan ti thap ania yang hi zir veila thak ti
ila hianin painting local painter chi sang sangin an painting te an lo pho chuaka a mu anwam viau ani
nal je he ti pe plus of sin hat center point Place Bazaar an banner ngam khop mai living good rich now.
Hangi printing cake bana?
This also. So nice, huh? Siya luto kaya tiri. Anti dani na luto. Sin dik tak mai ka sin lui dik tak mai ang rap thak a munum to yan mani traditional headgear vel ni an bas lui tak mai bas sin le eng mo sura po ala plan training ka siya tầm lúc tục cần ăn xe không? Cái là mà hiện nên khá sĩ thứ nằm thil vel hello thinga siam hello chatak tak le tur amani oh yan siam chop cher ko ka iso ing ma ka shi thelo oh oh ti khan ka shi thei oh fruits cashews. How much is the cashews? How much?
Cashew nut, I think this one. Rap lang.
Cashew nuts. There is one for 100.
150, 150 this one.
Oh yeah.
This one is 150.
100 gram.
Yes, 100 gram I think. Yes, 100 gram.
What are this?
This one is so good.
Squash. The other one is passion fruit. The other one is
Just taste over there.
You can taste.
Yeah, you can taste it.
This one also.
How's the rice tea? You can add honey also. Okay. You want me to? You can take more. Add some honey.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Try this one, passion fruits.
Ma'am, would you like to taste?
Which one? Like what are those?
These are squash. This one is lemongrass juice.
This
And you can taste any of
red, red rice tea also.
This one is red rice tea. We do
can
have
smell
chips.
it.
You can taste it.
Red rice tea?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The smell it smell
How do
like
you
coffee.
make rice
It's
tea?
a roasted red rice.
Oh yeah,
And
yeah,
which
like
is
that.
recommend
No?
you just put some pieces, 2 pieces, and then pour inside the cup, and then you stir it. And you can add sugar or honey, it's depending upon you. And then you can drink.
And passion fruits and like.
Yeah, you can smell first this one if you smell like coffee.
Oh yeah, smell like coffee, no?
You can try any of these.
This is rice, no?
Yeah, rice and jaggery, roasted rice.
Oh, rice and jaggery.
So one
Okay.
is that we are reviving what the ancient people are doing.
Oh
Back
yeah,
then, they
yeah.
don't use
Back to the roots, no?
Yeah.
And what is this?
This is red rice tea.
rice.
After
Okay.
mixing it water.
I'm going to taste this red rice. I'm going to taste red rice tea, okay? Red rice tea. This is the first time I'm going to taste it.
This is actually the traditional drinks. Before they use this one as refreshment. Because there were no tea before here. So there is no transportation from Assam also. So people used to do this one as refreshment. Instead of, so when the British captured McLeod, so that's how they get advertised those red tea from Assam. And then started like this. Advertising this thing. And they, most of people go to that one. So our entrepreneurs from JK started doing this. And then come 2 packaging. One is in bamboo packaging. You can use this one as cup also. Packaging.
You can try the squash as well. Yeah, we
Yeah,
need
it's
Do you have to boil water?
yeah, it's squash because it's fully concentrated. And we can try
This is passion.
If you want
How
to
do you
add
get
butter,
passion fruit? You grow it?
Yeah, we go with it.
we
No,
want
actually, we work with the government.
and
We are not the one who make this product. All this 250 and then there is point. The watch like this is 150.
Right. I get that one. 151.
Only the rice tea and chips.
The people. No,
This one is wild potato chips.
why potato? Oh, beautiful.
If you are into spicy stuff, if you have green chili paste.
How much?
250.
Buông cái đó. Thịt đấy. À buông đừng có buông đi. Ăn cho bé bò.
you can change the package if you want.
It's so tight, no?
Thế tại hianin bati candle atanga siam Christmas theme che mi present chi moi tak tak alo amani he cheng zali velte ni a cheng zali tanga cheng zaruk ti velte ani a present box sang sang ne na che ani a tiang he dongi la chuanin hlawm am du veng veng me the the me chia bia nu te present atan chuanin thlan om tak chu ni melani hetilama kan mu hi garo traditional ornaments chi sang ani a an beng be te an tree te an headgear te chi sang ani a e a mu nom kop mai khasi ai chuanin until nei te hi ala tribal vele chong mela an culture a rich mel kop me hei mu nom tak tak ani thil chi sang me hei ran pho langa
Yeah, it's like more roasted, no? Like
So this is the black clay which has gotten a GI tag. Also.
has what?
It has GI tag, geographical identification.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, that's very
Get it
special.
only from here.
And this this cane
Yep.
cane work is very special again.
If there's a hairline crack, we can't use it anymore like that to keep like water or something, right? We can still use it to keep anything like dry fruits or something.
Oh,
So to give like an additional look to it, like value added, added like cane work over it, so that won't go to waste. So we can still
those bags are bamboo bags. How much are those?
This one 1800. This one 2500.
2,500. Handicraft. It's so fine, no? So special this one.
She has gotten a national award. She's an awardee. The artisan who made this, who weaved this, she has gotten a national award.
Oh, national award.
Yeah, state award, sorry. Not
That's national award winning bag, no?
state award. But then she's planning for like also working for the national level.
How much is this one? And this too.
Let's share here with the music. I hope they enjoy something different. Right?
Orange, how much?
Orange 104 piece, and then this one.
Very good.
helai kan hmuang hianin helai hmun hi wine chi hrang mai alo tlar tor mai a an wine siam te khi chuan om viau ani hlawmana rong chi hrang an ni a thei chi hrang atanga siam an ni a meglaya hianin thei a tam boka plum te blueberry kan ti ang chi te tin wild apple kan ti ang chi te chi hrang mai atang khanin wine an siam ani mo kan han tem kwala tempo an phalani tin helai ai swatin engma hi total prohibition kan ti ang chi engani khap om velafa chu wang chuanin adu to in wine an siama ti hianin an shal chuak mai ni check le ti om lova eng parcel nge alcohol om tur ti ang chi te om velem lova ti kanin an du angin an siama chuan an shal chuak mai ni botol pakhat hi cheng zaruk sa sari le sang khat ti ang te ani ati hianin tem an phal boka kan han tem kwal ani ke ni ti po hianin tui velhom fiawani
Black raspberry, dragon fruit.
This is also close level sound.
Yellow raspberry.
Try this.
You want to try? You can try. You can have a try.
Which one should I try? Black raspberry.
I think
I
you
just
need
try,
to
okay?
Okay. Streaming so much now in this song.
Where do you brew this? Black raspberry wine.
Like someone who one over. Mulberry do
Mulberry.
try it.
Okay, let me try mulberry.
Mase, I make it a little bit strong.
I'll buy the best one.
Okay. You can select again. I'll give you the best one. And you wanna try Shillong-C'mas? Shillong-C'mas.
Mulberry is gonna try it now. Mulberry wine. Tuy lẩu rau khá khá. Anh lặng đón nhau cái YouTube channel ạ.
Kan lom na tuk.
Anh subscribe nga lang nga yang.
Oi lo, kha enge soi te che
Mamoy ribung.
mamoy ribong mo.
Oh.
Ole.
Tu dah kan hong nga lola.
Tuna mo.
Lang nga lang.
You open ko.
Tuy này hiện tuy.
Twitter.
Tuy là tụ hay nghe.
Oh, kan subscribe to me.
Subscribe to mo. Hello, subscribe đi to mo.
Ka usu subscribe ko.
Anh đi mo.
Ka phone jo acha. Ka mo.
Tuy là tụ khai mo lang ini ya lo ka.
Ande mai lo la pi sok ko mo. Kiti ko lo. Lutuk mo. Ayo. Kan lo lutuk.
Thế nào nha thì mà mỗi gì ka?
Can you do
Is there wine?
Is there wine coming?
Is there wine? Nè nắng mà đi ka mar mo.
Can you do 3 from me kan niya?
Hả?
3 from me kan niya.
Chi pura mi rock mo.
I think kan niya.
Hey nắng mà đi production mo.
On manufacture kan niya.
Manufacturer niya. Oh.
Hitiang ko aje ka kamo. Angai kan ti.
Nghe gì à?
Manufactured by Probina Lamari.
Manufactured by Probina Lamare.
Yeah.
Lamare is Khasi, no?
Yeah, this is our
India.
Yeah.
You are Lamare?
From Riboy.
Oh, Riboy. Okay.
Mix Anita mo.
You married too, huh? No, not yet. Not yet.
Not yet. By this year maybe.
By this year, both of you?
No, my
With this brother?
yeah.
Okay, nice. Okay, then
Anna,
bye-bye.
come down,
Nice.
bye-bye.
Yeah, nice seeing you.
Bye-bye.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, whoa, how was that now? Yeah! Now when I say, you know the drill, you know the drill. When I say straight brothers, y'all don't give me a whoop, y'all give me a yee-haw. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for the straight brothers. There are a lot more people than before, and it was louder before. So, something is wrong, ladies and gentlemen. The math isn't mapping right now, all right? So, when I say straight brothers,
Wow, this is very special.
yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for the straight brothers.
Video you don't want to drink.
Pardon me?
You just want to take the video, you don't want to drink.
Hi, what did you bought?
Sorry, this one is 1500 and this one is 800.
So how much is one bottle?
1500 and 800.
1500 and 800. What is this? Like it's a wine or it's a...
It's neither wine nor beer.
Oh man.
Neither wine nor beer. And what is that?
In Garo Hills, we call it
Oh, this is Garo, the Garo local wine.
yes, sticky rice beer.
Sticky rice, all out of sticky. Okay.
We store it for 3 months.
3 months?
You know that one?
Oh
Yeah,
my
so that's
god.
Buffalo, ladies and
It must
gentlemen.
be strong, no? That means?
Yes. You wanna have a
All right, all right, all right. Now, before we get on to the next,
This is gender,
this
especially
after
for
all.
females. It is for females.
So,
Making
balance. It is
out
all
of,
about
sticky
balance
rice.
and
Yeah, I think
nature.
it's
And here
white
are some of the things that
This is white.
you all can
yes,
do.
this is white.
Help your local farmers with their hands up, hands down, hands up, hands down, hands down. If you're not sure whether you're a big kid or not, let me tell you, we are all big kids. All right. It's just some of us have to hide it a little bit. All right. So all the big kids, put your hands up. Some of y'all still don't think you're children. Man, y'all gotta be kids to live in this world. Hands up, hands down. Big kids, hands up. Big kids, hands down. Big kids, move this side. Big kids, move this side. Big kids, move this side again. Which is technically dancing, so guys, feel free to dance, all right, tonight, anytime y'all want. So let me look back and huddle with the guys, all right? Have you guys eaten yet? Have you had anything to eat? You can try it on the food stalls over there. Now let me ask the big kids who are over 21. Have you had anything to drink yet? All right, enough dancing for me, man. Enough dancing. I won't stop. Damn it, I can't stop. All right, hands up. Move this side. Everybody hands up. Everybody hands up. Everybody hands up. Come on. We got it on stage, ladies and gentlemen. Is Jamel and the Pine Folks. Meet the freshest sound on the scene. The Pine Folks, a dynamic blend of rock, alternative, funk, and pop. Their music captivates audiences with its versatile sound. And the band boasts an exceptional lineup, fronted by the charismatic Mr. Jameer Cargamore right here, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! We have Sonny on drums. Give some noise. Come on now, come on now. Give the drummer some. We have the one and only Mr. Guy Enzo on guitar. We have Mr. Maber on keys, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for the keys, man. Better not lock those keys now. Together, they are known as Jamel and the Pine Folks. Ladies and gentlemen, are you guys ready? All right, here we go. Baby, you are the man on the scene. I can get you what you got to move. I forgot some food on love and then I got some more in store. When I get to going on you, they gotta come back and more. For so long time, I ain't nothing but attention. Hey, little thing, let me light you count, cause I'm on my shore. Thank you!